I'm going to make fried sardines. In order to do that, you need larger ones. Can't use those sardines in a small can, very difficult to handle. And when you bread them, you're going to taste more breading than sardine. Anyway, I found these at Amazon.com, and these are 2 to 3 sardines in a can, the regular can size you get. So, packed in water, because I didn't want them packed in oil, because I'm going to bread them. So I just take them gently, place them on a towel. My mistake, this can has 4, but that's okay. They're a nice size to do what I want. And now I'm going to take them and put them in the freezer for about a half hour, because you really can't attempt to bread something as delicate as these canned sardines. So I'll just pat them a little bit. And I'm going to take them and put them on a plate with a little parchment paper, saran wrap under it, so they won't stick to the plate. I'm going to put these in the freezer until they're very, very firm, so you can handle them without breaking. The sardines have been in my freezer for a half an hour. I'm just taking one out at a time to work with it. See? They don't fall apart. Flour, typical the way you would bread something, flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. The only difference is the eggs have lemon juice in them. And now you don't have to get your fingers messed up. Shake it, apply a little pressure, and there you have one sardine done. And that's all I'm going to make is one sardine, because now you do bread the rest. Now we're going to go over to the temperature is set at 375, and I'm going to do one at a time. And then raise the flame a drop, because it's going to fall. And all we want to do is brown this. It's already a cooked item. We'll get ready to take it out. Look at that, how nice. And there you go. How fast was that? We'll keep this going, and I will make all 4 pieces, and then I'll show them on a plate. And there they are. 4 pieces to a can. Maybe some cans might have 3 pieces. But anyway, that recipe, the flour, the breadcrumbs, and eggs is enough for 4 more pieces. So you can eat 8 pieces with that mix. What are you going to do with this next? The simplest thing, put ketchup on it and eat it. But I'm going to make a sauce that should work well with this and other fish on my next video.